In this video, I'll show you how to view Salesforce records directly from a Jira work item and how to run a report across all your associations without ever leaving Jira. Let's open a Jira work item that's already associated to some Salesforce records. Over on the right, you'll see the connector for Salesforce panel. This is your quick view of every associated record, neatly grouped by object type. Say you need the customer's contact details. Just click the contact link, click Details, and everything's right there: name, email, phone number. No need to jump into Salesforce. And if you ever do want to open the record directly in Salesforce, just click the link to launch it in a new tab. Now let's zoom in on the associated cases. Open the Salesforce Records tab and select Case as a Salesforce object type. You'll see all cases associated to the work item, with the most recent at the top. Select the columns to view the most important fields for you, keep status to see what's still open, priority to catch what's urgent, or description to have the full picture. You're getting all the information, all within Jira. The fields available for associated records depend on your connection configuration. Your Jira admin controls which fields are visible by configuring the Salesforce connection. Now, let's see a report of your associations. Just click Reports next to the associated Salesforce object type. The Reports page opens with your work item's JQL pre-filled and the first query already run, so you can immediately see its associated Salesforce cases. Click Export in the top right to download the current page or grab all results at once. If you need the bigger picture associations across multiple work items, just type a new JQL query to pull in multiple work items. Then select your Salesforce connection and object type, such as contacts or cases. You'll get a clean list of every Jira item and its associated Salesforce records. And that's it. Whether you're checking a single record or reporting across your whole project, everything you need is right inside Jira. Thanks for watching.